Hi guys, Callum Newman from the Daily Reckoning Australia here. We've got a big day coming up over in the States, which is tonight our time. So it's Tuesday the 8th of May here in Australia as I'm recording this in the afternoon. But tonight for us, which is going to be Tuesday over there in the US, Donald Trump is going to come out and say what he's going to do in regards to the Iranian sanctions that the US is currently waiving. He has threatened to put them back on. I don't know if you can see this story here, but it's very important and big for the oil market. Potentially, if the sanctions come back on, could knock out another $300,000 to $500,000 barrels of oil a day. The oil market is already tightening up. Saudi Arabia, Russia, the rest of OPEC deliberately running down the inventory levels of oil around the world. That's to try and prop up the price. We've got Venezuela. Their economy is in a really bad way, so they're losing barrels of oil. And we've had this Iranian situation in play for quite a while now. As a result, West Texas, what they call West Texas, the West Texas benchmark, has gone over $70. Now, back in 2016, it was under 30. So oil's had a very big rally since then. Now, interesting to watch. So if Trump does not punish Iran, if you like, or lets them off the hook, oil will probably sell off in the short term because it's the effect of this is now built into the price, I would imagine. What I'm not 100% sure on of what happens if he does go ahead with the sanctions and Iranian oil is taken out a little bit. Some people say it may not be as big as some of the estimates are suggesting because the EU and China will still buy for them. But the US can put a lot of pressure on the Iranian oil industry and certainly block access to expertise and parts and things that they need. So, to what extent is oil built, is these Iranian sanctions built into the oil price? I couldn't tell you exactly. It's not that easy to forecast oil, but very important to see what happens with Donald Trump and the Iranian sanctions. You might have noticed that there's higher petrol prices happening at the moment, so we're getting blowback from this oil price rise at a consumer level when you fill up your car, but also, as I've indicated before, energy stocks on the ASX are beginning to rumble because the market's pricing in stronger oil prices for longer, and part of that is this current Iranian situation. So stay tuned to see what Donald Trump does tonight.